In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted AutoCAD drawing. Mistakenly deleting an important drawing can be stressful, especially if that file represents hours of detailed work and creativity. But don't worry, AutoCAD has a built-in safety net that could save your day. By default, AutoCAD enables its autosave feature, which means there's likely a saved copy of your drawing tucked away on your computer. Let's go through how you can easily retrieve it. First, let's explore the most straightforward method. Imagine you just realized a crucial AutoCAD file is missing. Don't panic. The first thing you should check is whether the file has landed in your recycling bin. If autosave isn't an option because you inadvertently disabled it, this is your next best bet. Take a quick peek inside your recycling bin and see if it's there. If you find it, all you need to do is restore it, and you're back on track without any hassle. But let's say it's not in the recycling bin, and you're pretty sure autosave was turned on. What do you do next? Typically, when AutoCAD saves your work automatically, it creates a file with a back extension. Even if your original .dwg file is nowhere to be found, this backup could be the lifeline you need. Let me walk you through how to turn this .back file into a usable drawing. Imagine a scenario where I've intentionally deleted a .dwg file as a demonstration. Now, when I attempt to open it in AutoCAD, it's nowhere to be found. This might seem daunting, but here is where the .back file comes to the rescue. Navigate to the location where your drawing was initially saved. You'll likely spot a file with the same name as your original drawing, but with a .back extension. Here's a simple solution. First, copy this .back file as a precaution. This ensures you still have that safety net while attempting recovery. Once you've made a copy, you'll need to rename the file's extension. Change it from back to .dwg. To do this, right-click on the file, select Rename, and carefully alter the extension from .back to .dwg. When prompted, confirm that you want to change the file type. Once you've done that, try opening this newly renamed file in AutoCAD. More often than not, you'll find your precious drawing just as it was the last time it was auto-saved. It's as simple as that. So remember, accidental deletions don't have to mean permanent loss. Between autosave files and your recycling bin, there are straightforward steps you can follow to recover your work. The key is staying calm and knowing where to look. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to keep those autosave settings enabled to protect your future projects.